What if I told you that spending six figures on an SUV could actually be one of the smartest financial decisions you ever make, if you choose the right one? Most people assume luxury SUVs are money pits, expensive to fix, unreliable past 100,000 miles, and constantly at the dealership. And honestly, for a lot of them, that's completely true. But today, we're talking about the exceptions, the ones that defy the stereotype, the luxury SUVs that, when properly maintained, will run past 200,000, 250,000, even 300,000 miles without falling apart on you. These aren't just reliable, they're shockingly long-lasting. Let's get into it. Number 10, Mercedes-Benz G-Class. We're starting at number 10 with the most legendary nameplate on this entire list, the Mercedes-Benz G-Class. Now, the G-Wagon is controversial. It's ancient in its basic design. The core platform dates back to 1979, and it will cost you a small fortune every time it needs a service. Parts are expensive, labor is specialized. If you're not prepared to spend on maintenance, stay away. But here's the thing, that old-school, overbuilt design is exactly why it lasts. The body-on-frame construction, the solid axles on older models, the sheer mechanical robustness baked into every G-Class. It was originally designed for military use. These things were built to survive war zones. They handle a wealthy suburb just fine. Properly maintained G-Classes routinely hit 300,000 miles. Some go well beyond. It's a vehicle that will outlast almost everything else on the road. You just have to be willing to pay for it. Number 9, Genesis GV80. Now, the GV80 is relatively new. It launched in 2021, so we don't have the 15-year ownership data we have for some of the other vehicles here. But what we do have looks really promising. The GV80 is built on Hyundai Kia Group's most advanced platform, with a level of build quality that genuinely rivals European competitors at a significantly lower price point. Early reliability surveys and owner feedback have been consistently strong. Fit and finish is excellent, and Genesis backs it up with one of the best warranties in the business, 5 years bumper to bumper and 10 years on the powertrain. If the early signs hold up over the next decade, the GV80 could become one of the great long-term value plays in the luxury segment. Keep your eye on this one. Number 8, BMW X5 xDrive 40i, B58. At number 8, we have the BMW X5, but with a critical asterisk. If you've owned an older X5 with the N63 V8, you probably have opinions about this entry, and you're right to be skeptical. The N63 was notoriously troubled. Oil consumption, timing chain issues, cooling problems. It earned a reputation that gave the entire X5 lineup a reliability shadow it's been trying to escape. But the B58-powered X5, specifically the xDrive 40i, is a completely different story. The B58 inline-six is widely considered one of the best modern engines BMW has ever produced. It's smooth, powerful, and remarkably durable. Enthusiast communities that track engine longevity have given it high praise, and real-world data backs that up. With proper cooling system maintenance and regular oil changes, these engines are regularly running deep into 200,000-mile territory. The lesson, if you're buying an X5, make sure you're getting the B58. Model year matters on this one. Number 7, Porsche Cayenne. Number 7 surprises a lot of people, the Porsche Cayenne. Porsche has a reputation for expensive maintenance, and that's completely deserved. The Cayenne is not a cheap vehicle to own. But here's what people miss. Porsche engineers their engines to racetrack tolerances. The internal components are built tighter, with better materials than almost anything else in the industry. What that means is simple. If you maintain a Cayenne the way Porsche says to maintain it, and yes, that means paying Porsche-level service bills, the engine itself is nearly bulletproof. Cayennes that have been cared for routinely run 200,000-plus miles with no major powertrain issues. The Cayenne isn't reliable, it's unforgiving. Skip oil changes on a Toyota and it'll probably still run. Skip them on a Cayenne and you'll find out exactly how much a replacement engine costs. Respect the maintenance schedule and this vehicle will go the distance. Number 6, Volvo XC60. At number 6, the Volvo XC60, and this one represents an interesting story of redemption. Older Volvos, particularly from the Ford ownership era, had real reliability concerns. Electrical gremlins, transmission issues, cooling system problems. For a while, the brand's reputation for dependability was mostly based on nostalgia rather than reality. But recent generations of the XC60 have turned the corner. Owner satisfaction scores are genuinely strong. Build quality is noticeably tighter. Volvo has invested heavily in reliability improvements, and it's showing up in the data. The XC60 won't match the raw mechanical durability of a Lexus GX, but for buyers who want Scandinavian design, excellent safety scores, and a vehicle that will realistically last 200,000 miles with proper care, the modern XC60 deserves serious consideration.
Number 5. Acura RDX.
The Acura RDX is one of the most underrated compact luxury SUVs on the market. Here's the pitch. You're essentially getting Honda's engineering reputation, Honda's powertrain reliability, and Honda's mechanical simplicity dressed up in a premium package and priced below most European competitors. The turbocharged 2.0-liter engine in the current RDX has proven far more reliable than comparable turbos from German brands. Maintenance costs are lower, parts are more widely available, and with proper service intervals, these engines are built to run 200,000 plus miles without drama. If you want compact luxury without the repair anxiety, the RDX is one of the smartest choices in the segment. Number 4. Acura MDX. One step up in size brings us to the Acura MDX at number 4, and more of the same Honda DNA just in a 3-row package. The MDX has been refined over multiple generations now, and each iteration has gotten better. It's a consistent top performer in long-term reliability studies. Consumer Reports has repeatedly recognized it as one of the most dependable luxury SUVs money can buy. For families who need 3 rows and don't want to sacrifice reliability, the MDX is the benchmark. It does everything well, lasts a very long time, and doesn't punish you for it financially. A genuinely excellent vehicle. Number 3. Lexus RX 350, RX 350h. We're into the Lexus trio now, and the RX 350 lands at number 3, the best-selling luxury SUV in America for most of its existence, and for very good reason. The RX is the vehicle that proved a luxury crossover could be both comfortable and genuinely dependable. It doesn't have the rugged body-on-frame bones of the GX or LX, but its unibody construction is engineered to last, and its powertrain reliability is class-leading. The hybrid RX 350h adds another layer of longevity. Regenerative braking significantly reduces wear on brake pads and rotors, and the hybrid system itself has proven remarkably durable over high mileage. Owners regularly report 250,000 plus miles from well-maintained examples. If you want luxury crossover that will simply keep going, the RX is the gold standard. Number 2. Lexus LX. At number 2, the Lexus LX, and this is where things get serious. The LX shares its full platform with the Toyota Land Cruiser. If you know anything about automotive history, you know what that means. The Land Cruiser is arguably the most proven vehicle on Earth. It's the vehicle of choice in the most remote and hostile environments on the planet. From Australian outback mining operations to African NGO fleets, these things don't break. Wrap that platform in Lexus luxury and refinement and you have the LX. It's expensive to buy new, it's somewhat expensive to fuel, but in terms of long-term durability, it is almost without equal in the luxury segment. 300,000 plus mile examples are not rare, they're expected. Number 1. Lexus GX. And the number 1 luxury SUV for sheer long-term durability, the Lexus GX. Like the LX, the GX is body-on-frame. It shares its mechanical DNA with the Toyota Land Cruiser Prado, another platform famous worldwide for its indestructibility. The 4-liter V6 powering the GX is one of the most overbuilt, understressed engines in the mainstream automotive world. It barely knows it's working. What sets the GX above even the LX on this list is value. It can be bought used for a fraction of LX pricing, yet its mechanical bones are similarly bulletproof. Enthusiasts who prioritize reliability and longevity over badge prestige have known about the GX for years. 300,000 miles? Routine. Some owners push well past that. If you want the single most durable luxury SUV you can buy, the one that gives you the best combination of proven platform, mechanical simplicity, and long-term dependability, the GX is the answer. So there you have it, 10 luxury SUVs that are built to last long after most vehicles would have tapped out. The common thread across all of them? Proper maintenance. Even the most durable vehicle on this list will let you down if you neglect it. But if you respect the service schedule, these are the luxury SUVs that will reward you with years and hundreds of thousands of miles of dependable ownership. Which one would you choose? Drop it in the comments below. And if you found this useful, make sure you subscribe. We cover this stuff every week. See you in the next one.